Hey guys, welcome back. So we're gonna start now, okay? So this is the first trade. It came down here, it hits this candle, okay? Sorry, it hit this red line on the way up. You look up, there is where you bought, so that green candle. So we're gonna move that line to where you bought, okay? We're gonna look on the right hand side, and this is the exact price that you bought. This here, guys, is very important. The price that you buy is what determines how many points you should be trading. So for this asset that my signal gave me a signal to buy on this day, and I'm going to click my button to buy at this price, which is 20, 27763, the first five numbers, 27763. I go to my Excel sheet, I put that there. 27763. That this, this is a division between this and my account size. So whatever price I'm buying, I divide that by my account size because from that to zero is exactly that many points, right? So that's how much I should be trading. I know that as long as I'm trading this size, I have nothing to worry about because I know it's very unlikely that price is suddenly going to hit zero. So that gives me peace of mind. So let's go back. And that covers what I just explained there, covers what we skipped earlier, the sizes you should be trading. So the size is whatever price you're clicking on, you don't divide it by 1,000, you divide it by your account size. In this scenario, I'm using 1,000 accounts to show you the example. That's why I'm divided by 1,000, but you see what happens as we move on. So that's the account size, right? So we go in here again. So let's do the first trade. That's the price I bought on this candle. Now, when I bought, a day, 2 days later, it moved from this point to there. So I bought on this is a green candle. I bought on the candle next to the green candle. It went from here 1 day, 2 days to that point. Okay. I'm going to get a ruler. Look on this side, guys. You see certain numbers on the right hand side. So this line represents the line I bought, and this line was the point it got to in 2 days. Okay. So that just left. So we're going to go point I bought, point it got to in the next 2 days. What do you have there, guys? That's 500 points it moved. So that was 500 points. So I go to my Excel sheet. I'm going to put 500 in there. This is trade number one. £500, okay? It multiplies that by the number of points I'm trading. I'm trading 4p because that's what my risk management tells me to. For those 500 points, I've made £18, right? But let's just say I didn't get the full 500. Let's just say I got half. So this tells me half. Divides that by 2. So I'm not going to take the full credit. Let's just say, okay, it's not likely that I would have got it exactly right. So let's just say I took each time I'm going to take half. So that gives me £9. So that £9, add that 1,000 but that £9, that is your new account balance there. 1009. So that new balance, I'm going to put it there, 1009, and that is my balance after trade number one. Okay, so we're going to be doing this for each trade for the whole year. This is the only way we can prove this system. So stay with me, guys, please. It's going to blow your minds because it works with every single pair. So that was trade one. Okay. over here is trade number 2. Okay, let me see if I can put labels here. Actually, let's put labels so that we don't confuse things. So I'm just going to put a label there. And that should be number 1. I'll have that in red. Okay, lovely. Cancel. So that's trade number 1. Oh, lovely. So this is going to be trade. Oh, this here, it goes down, touches this line. This is going to be trade number 2. You look up. There's your green candle where you're going to buy. You move that down. Right? This is where you're going to buy. On this candle, first things first, you look right. That is the price. 27,011. 27,011. Okay, let me reset this to 0. Okay, 27. So this has divided that. This has divided that by that. It's still telling me I should be trading 4p. Okay. On the second trade, let's see how much we made. So this is the point we got in. I'm always going to do this first because that is risk management. You always divide that by account size before you hit the trade buy and sell button. That's rule. That's part of the system, so you have to abide by it. So to trade number 2, you look up, you bought there, it went as far as there. So you bought here in this on this candle. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, it got to that point. Let's measure the distance. Look on the right hand side, guys. 1,354. Let's go to Excel sheet. What's that? 1,354. That's £50 profit. Let's divide that by 2. There. This is your new account size. It's added that to that. So this is now your new account size. 1034. 1034. Okay. Let's reset that to 0. Let's reset that to 0. Okay. So this is after 2 trades. So we're going to go back here again. I'm going to get the label. I'm going to add it to this point here. And that's going to be trade number 2, so we don't get confused. And that's trade number 2. It goes down here. It touches here. Can you see, guys? You look up. That's the green candle. You bought here. You look right. 267, 267.10. That's the price. Very important. 267.10. 267.10. You're still supposed to be trading 4p. Okay? So you go back again. The thing is, you cannot get greedy. It's very successful. You'll be tempted to trade highest lot sizes, but greed is a very, very bad thing, guys. So touches this candle, you look up, there's the point you bought. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, it gets to this point. This time, this is trade number 3. So you move this here. Let's measure it. Free hand. Look on your right hand side. 1,454 again. So this is trade number 3 and trade number 2 made about the same distance. See, number 1, 2, 3. So 1,554 again. So we go there. 1,554. £60 divided by 2. This is your new account size. 1064. 1064. And that goes in there. So let's reset that to 0. Reset that to 0.